everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to paint the strawberry. Use only 3 primary color and masking fluid. I got reference photo from Fixabay. It looks delicious, fresh, and is pretty. Right? This strawberry angle is from the bottom, so we can see the small circle here and here. I'm focusing on 1, 2, 3 strawberries. Okay, in the background we are going to use loose style. Okay, here is my materials for today's painting: red, yellow, blue. You may use any brand of paint, just use red, yellow, and blue. Okay, and masking fluid. Okay, start with the 2H pencil and fold the sketch. Okay, I'm going to put main strawberry, 1 here, 2 bigger one here, and here is I want to put a small one. Okay, and other is the background area. So okay, I'm going to draw a little bit bigger size. This one is the main strawberry. This is masking fluid. Use this brush. Okay, after after apply masking fluid, you need to immediately clean this brush. Okay, I will be back after this masking fluid dried. Okay, check the masking fluid. Yeah, this masking fluid all dried, so apply water for the wet technique on the background area. With the paper whole entire area with the big brush. Okay, grab some bluish color from down area. And next, I want to use splatter technique on the background for the strawberry area. yellow mix blue, so I want to get green color. Okay, this paper all dried, but then I want to add some second layer to strawberry area. So after add this one, I'm going to take out this masking fluid. We are gonna use eraser, masking tape, and your finger. Rub gently. Next, coloring on strawberry. Start by applying water first. Now I'm using synthetic brush. Second, take watery red and put on strawberry. Please save the highlight area. Third, take some thick red on the center strawberry area. Paper still wet, so color blend easily. Yeah, this paper still wet, so it can be blend color easily and make a smooth surface, right? And next, also there are merging between colors beautifully, and there don't make any brush mark because the paper is still wet. Next, move on to the second strawberry behind strawberry. So the painting process is the same as the first one. When we paint here, we have to be careful, right? And to save white space between strawberries, because that space will make the strawberry space. This is an important note. First, draw seeds of the strawberry with a strong density of red. Tapping seeds here and there with dark and thick red. Still paper wet. So don't make any strong mark. Some of the make the strong mark, some is the smooth seed. Um, okay. In this painting, the right side of the strawberry area use the mixture of red and yellow, which means to use a right density of color. On the dark side of the seed, we should use a dark density of color, mixed red and blue. In in this painting, we use only 3 primary colors, so we can make and use 3 of the secondary colors, right? Okay. Draw stem with the thin brush. Use sap green mix and some of the we don't have any, we didn't use any sap green, just the green color mix the kind of reddish color. This green color I made the mixture of yellow and blue color, so we can get the greenish color. This one is a little bit dark instead of green, so yellow mix blue. This is the shadow from the petal, pastel eye, yeah. Draw the sepal, and for the shadow, take some bluish color. For the third strawberry, we are going to use yellow first and add some orange color. Put on the center. This strawberry is not the main object, so we are gonna paint it in a light color. And now for the seed area, we are going to use some of the white color. Wow, looks so nice. I really love these bright colors. We used only 3 colors and a synthetic brush today. This is the shadow from the sepal. This is the final touch-up for the shadow and a strawberry shape. Okay, we are all done with this strawberry painting. I hope you had a happy time with this painting. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.